Okay, 5 August 2021, 11:53 in the morning. Okay, and this is just a quick video about the Sanyo MR-V9, of which I have a similar Sanyo M7950K. This one is different because this has AM and FM only, and in place of having the fine-tuning for the shortwave, this has a Dolby button, which I thought was unusual. Now, I want to make a point to myself, is that I made a video, well, I can't zoom into this, but I made a video 1 August 2021, and the cassette player worked. Okay, now I want to skip over to the listing of where I bought this from Bai, Japan. Alright, and I'm just, okay, so there's the front. Wait, let me see if I can zoom in with a camera. Wait, zoom, I'm holding these with my left hand. Okay, so there we go. That's their pictures, alright? And there's that, that. And I want to get down to a particular point because I've already taken one of these apart, the 7950K, and, okay, so it has everything, but now here's the point. That, not that, this right here, okay? You zoom in with my thing. If you can see those, it's not going to focus. Having issues. Okay, that's good enough. All right, see how the those couple of jacks, well, the couple of jacks there on the left hand side, they're not fully centered. Okay, the circuit board is not fully centered into the back. That has to occur when this is taken apart. And I wish I'd pulled up my other pictures from. Let's see if we can do that real quick while I'm here. Go back to here. Back to, I think it's this one here, and then that, and then it would have been in July. Yeah, this one here. Open that. Let me just open with, okay, and then let me race along. Let's see here, that. Okay, here we go. Well, no, that's not quite. Well, I didn't show it, did I? Okay, this right here, where it goes into that end, those pieces. Do you have another picture of that, by chance? No, I don't. Wait. Do I have a picture of the end of this thing? Well, here, wait. Okay. Yeah, there we go. See how that seam is together right there? That's the way it should look, okay? But in this picture here, which I can't zoom into, the parts are apart. So that's what I'm going to try to correct here by, okay, that's what I'm trying to correct here by taking this thing apart. Now I'm going back to my left hand now. I just want to show that I have it plugged in. I took the battery cover off. There's the battery cover, right? Got a nice, foam rubber, okay. And it does work, okay. And again, if you can remember, there's the radio. But as I tried to hit play, okay, the door still opens and closes, right? But the play button doesn't, well, that operates, but it doesn't, nothing works. I mean, I'm stymied. I don't understand why. So, and then, let's see, let me put it in my lap so you can see the rest of this here, all right, as I see it. Before I open this thing up for the first time ever, right? See this crack here? This should not have this crack here. It shouldn't be a crack like that. And then of course there's the, let's see here. And here it's powered, and again, let's see, get the power thing out of the way. Take that out. All right. This is those should be aligned and through the plastic. So these two right here should be aligned and through the plastic. They're not, okay? So because of that, and because this model right here, there's a model number, is not like that, it needs to be taken apart and realigned, because when you take the back off, you have to line these up with the circuit board and then put the back on. Alright, and they didn't do that. So, and because these controls here on the front, these controls stay with the front of the case. But when you take the mechanism out, okay, you can take the door off, but when you take the mechanism out, the speakers stay with this, but these buttons also stay, and then they just touch on the thing. That's why I can touch them here, but they're not doing anything because they're not pushing far enough to operate the mechanism. Okay, so that's all I want to say here. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Got to go fix this now. Bye-bye. Next video will be it working, I sure hope so. Bye-bye.